Just got these frozen Tyson patties. Spicy chicken patties over here at Walmart. You keep them in your freezer. You got chicken strips and you got patties and you got nuggets in there. And whenever you want a chicken sandwich, you get your bread. I got some tartar sauce. And you got the microwave cooking it. Anywhere you parked. See, it's ready. You got an instant spicy chicken sandwich without having to go through the drive-thru. Cheers, folks. Everyone should have a microwave in their car if they do gig work.